want some takoyaki with delicious sauce? Here I will introduce best and quick 90-second takoyaki sauce. Please prepare 3 tablespoons of tonkatsu sauce, 1 tablespoon of Mentsuyu, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ketchup. By the way, I will introduce Mentsuyu substitute at the end too. I use tonkatsu sauce because it's thick and similar to takoyaki sauce. Worcestershire sauce is a very thin type, so I don't recommend it actually. If there is only Worcestershire sauce, maybe you need some cornstarch or potato starch to make the sauce thicker. You can also use tuna sauce. This is also thick. Let's mix all of the seasonings and mix a little. Microwave at 500 watt for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, please stir well. And ready to use. Let's dish up takoyaki on the plate and just pour the takoyaki sauce as much as you want. Enjoy! By the way, this is the Mentsuyu I used. If you don't have Mentsuyu, please mix soy sauce, mirin, and dashi. You will need 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce and mirin. After mixing these two, please add a pinch of hondashi granules. It will melt when warmed in microwave. This is the Mentsuyu substitute. Please use it when making takoyaki sauce. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and enjoy your delicious takoyaki.